Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how you claim your daily staking rewards on the EVU platform. It is very simple and very easy to do, so I'm going to be revealing that in this video. And also guys, if you want to know more about this project and how you can earn up to 150 APY staking this coin, simply check out these other videos right here, or check out the video that's going to pop up here, which is a full presentation video on how the staking works. Now this is a platform whereby you stake a token and it yields every single day. You can claim there's no minimum, there's no kind of restriction or whatever, and you can purchase any amount you want to purchase. All right guys, if you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up and share this video so that we can hit 3,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Now let's head over to the video of the day. Now on my dashboard right here, as you can see, this is the amount of coin I have staked, 1,448, and this is the staking reward I've received so far. And this is the amount of total coins that has been staked into this project. When we joined, I think it was 3.5 million, so right now it's 3.649 million. So well, people are actually joining. Like I told you, the staking project itself is just 2 months old, while the company behind it has been in crypto space for years. So it's actually a new, technically it's a new project, okay, because the staking platform is a new product that the company offers. So if you want to join, just check the link below this video and get started. So to claim your token or to claim your daily reward is very simple. These are the coins I have staked right here. And all I need to do, like this is one I'm going to be claiming, all I need to do is once I log into my dashboard, you just go to the staking area right here and you click on claim. Before you do that, make sure that on your MetaMask or on your Trust wallet or whichever Web3 wallet you use, make sure you've already added the EVU token. Alright, in your assets you've already added the EVU token, as you can see right here. So if you want to know how to add that, check the video I did on withdrawal. That is where I guide you step on step on how to add this token to your wallet so that you'll be able to receive it. So to receive it now, all we need to do first of all is to copy our receiving address. All right, sorry, first of all we need to do is to go to our dashboard and click on claim. Okay, then once you click on claim, you are going to see they charge 1% fee each time you claim. You are charged 1% fee. Now these fees basically go to the platform and is burnt. That's how it's going to the whole coin is going to be deflationary, you know, on the long run. So this is the amount I have as my total reward, 6.6198, and after deduction of this fee, 0.0662. This is how much I'm going to have on my dashboard as the claimed amount. So remember, initially I had 28 balance right here. So let's claim and see if it's going to add up. So once you click on claim, select yes. Remember, claiming is different from staking. So as you can see, it has been claimed and it has added to my total balance. So I can either do two things with this balance right here. I can restake them in form of compounding them, so you can actually compound your earnings, or you can just withdraw it directly to your MetaMask and, you know, swap it to USDT or whatever currency that's supported on MetaMask. You can also do that on PancakeSwap. Watch the video I made on withdrawal to know how you can do that. So that is simply way to claim. Now another thing most people normally ask is how long are these coins staked, like what's the duration? Now it doesn't actually mean you have to leave it for 364 that is a year, but you can only stake this after 3 months and you'll not be charged. Okay, but if you want to unstake this total amount you staked right here before that 90 days, that's 3 months, then you're going to be charged I think 40% or so, which is not worth it. So the best thing is just, if you want to unstake, just leave it for 3 months. Then maybe you can stake the capital. Maybe you want to withdraw the capital and use it for something else, you know, something came up or something like that. Okay, you can do that after 3 months. So that is about the staking. So guys, that is how you can claim. Like I told you, you can either withdraw this to your MetaMask Trust wallet and sell it, or you can just click on maximum and you will stake everything back into the system again. So the choice is yours. So guys, if you love this video and if you love what we do right here, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with everybody, and do not forget to subscribe. God bless.